We guide you through how to change the background in Descript. So first, open your project in Descript and select the video clip you want to edit. Next, go to the AI effects or scene settings depending on your version of Descript and look for the background or green screen option. If your video has a clean background or was recorded with a green screen, enable the background removal feature. Once the subject has been separated, choose a new background by uploading your own image or video or select one from the script's built-in background library if available. Resize and reposition your subject so it blends naturally with the new background. You can also adjust the blur, edge softness, and lightning settings to create more realistic result. Preview the changes to make sure everything looks smooth and there are no unwanted artifacts around the subject. If needed, make small adjustments until you're satisfied with the final look. Once everything is ready, save your project and export your video in your preferred resolution.